Welcome. If you manage a LinkedIn page and want to stay ahead with the latest analytics, enabling in-app notifications for your page insights is essential. With LinkedIn's new update, you can now receive instant alerts about your page's performance directly on your desktop, making it easier than ever to track growth and engagement. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable these notifications on your PC. First, open LinkedIn in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is where your profile picture appears. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. You'll now be taken to the Settings page. On the left side, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications. This section allows you to control all the alerts you receive from LinkedIn, ensuring you only get updates that matter most to you. Next, scroll down and click on Pages. This is where you can manage notifications specifically for the LinkedIn pages you administer. Under the Pages section, you'll see several options for the types of notifications you can enable. Find insights on your pages. This feature provides valuable updates about new followers, page views, and other analytics for the pages you manage. To start receiving in-app notifications for these insights, simply turn on the toggle next to Insights on your pages. This will ensure you get notified about important changes and trends right within LinkedIn, without having to check your analytics dashboard manually. That's it. You've now enabled in-app notifications for your page insights on LinkedIn's latest desktop update. With these notifications turned on, you'll never miss a beat when it comes to your page's performance. If you ever want to adjust your preferences, you can revisit the same settings menu and fine-tune your notifications at any time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more LinkedIn tips to help you grow your presence and stay informed.